At home with Power BI, I'm Zahir Brahma from Sigma BI. Today I'm going to show you how to use the fill function in Power Query. Now, this is used during your ETL process when you are cleaning the data, combining it and uploading it to Power BI desktop. Now, it's a simple function to use and it's used to fill in rows which are blank or don't have a value in it. I'm going to show you the data source as well, how it looks in there and how it looks in Power BI and how we can do it and transform it in Power BI. Are you ready? I know I am. Come take a look. Let's go.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the fill option in the Power Query editor for the Power BI desktop. Now, this is a useful function, especially when you're doing your ETL. And the reason why you do this is, for example, if you can see the Power Query that I'm in at the moment under the category section column. As you can see, it says at the top, it says mix, and then we have a bunch of nulls underneath it. And if you go further down, it says then rural, and then a bunch of nulls, rural, again, and then it starts with urban. Now, when we have a look at here, it doesn't make any sense to us. We haven't inputted this data, so we've taken it from a data source, Excel, and we need to make sense of it. So if we go back to the data source, so I'll just show you what we have in Excel. So if we get Excel here, as you can see, the way they fill this out is they put the product ID, the product in there, and the category as a mix. So this is the one that we're looking at. Manufacturer ID, price as well. Now, the only reason why they would do it this way is they're basically saying is at the top it's mix, so all of them is in the mix category. Then when it comes to the next category, they mark it as rural, and then any ones after that are rural. And then they're saying, right, okay, this is the next product, this is rural too, and then this is urban until it gets to the next product, and urban again. So that's how it's come across to myself. Obviously, if you come across a situation with within your organization, it's worth you questioning the users who have inputted it. So based on that, what we need to do is we need to fill the blanks. And how we're going to fill those blanks, we need to fill them in with the information that it's above, which is above, which is mix, rural, and we'll just have a look at the other ones, urban and youth. Okay, so that's what we need to do. It's a simple option that we've got in Power Query. So we go to the transform tab at the top, click on that, and then towards the center, there's a option called fill. If we select the arrow next to it, and we say, and we click down. So what that does then is it just fills my information downwards. So as you can see, it's filled all the ones with mix in there, and then it's done the same for the rural. Now, you will get blanks and that kind of thing during your ETL when you're sorting out the information, and it's worth doing investigations work into it to find out what the reasons are and what you need to fill them with. This one is just a simple way of how to use the fill option in this scenario. Hope that was useful for you. Just if you have any comments or any questions, please leave them on the comments section or get in contact with me. Subscribe as well so you can get updated on the latest videos as well. Thanks for watching, guys.
At home with Power BI with me, Zahir Brahman. Learn with us by subscribing to our channel to get updated on our latest videos.